What is up, all? This is Rap Bottles. It's your boy D Brian, D Brizzy, D Brizzle, so whatever the hell you wanna call me, I don't really care. We are in Vapers of V-Hub, the hot spot in the Philippines, in Tagbilaran City right now. And we are with our special guests. Introduce yourselves.
Hello, my name is Ben Soldoven, Bora Presyo.
And you are?
I'm Zoila Tinabre. I'm the owner of Vapers.
We got the boss right here. All right, so yeah, let's start things off with something. In my knowledge, you are in partnership with someone.
We have this together with my boyfriend over there, Tobias.
All right. So how'd you guys meet?
Okay, so nothing juicy. Nothing juicy. We just met at Martin's Resto Bar, the OG bar.
Who flirted first though?
I don't know.
First, though?
No flirting, nothing. We were just introduced by our mutual friends.
Okay.
Yeah. And then from that day on, then we were just always out, going to bars, partying, clubs.
Right. So yeah, basically you were originally a vape shop. So I just gotta ask though, back in like when did V-Hub open? Like
18.
2018?
Yeah.
I think back then, like only 20 people vaped in the city. Literally, like you don't see anybody vape. They just smoke Marlboros.
Yeah, actually, that's true. That's true.
What made you open a vape shop in a place where no one vapes?
Late 2017,
Right.
me and my boyfriend, we thought of putting up a business together, and it's mostly him who decided to put up a vape shop because he has a background and his family is running like a lot of vape shops in their country, and also he can see that there's potential of the vape.
Awesome. So you're
community.
kinda like the innovators or whatnot, like pioneers and whatnot of the vape culture in here.
Yeah.
So how many years have you been in business? Like,
Since 2018, so that's like
yeah, stupid.
4. No.
I can do the math. Silly me.
No, 4 years.
4 years. Like, yeah.
And
yeah.
I don't know, 6 months, 9 months.
So far, what's your biggest win? What's your biggest loss? Stuff like that.
Biggest win, I think, like now, what's happening now? Like we have a big customer base, loyal customers who really, regular customers who always come here every, like, patrons, call them, but also friends. They're also our friends.
Right.
And yeah, I think that's our big win, that we have a big customer base.
How about your biggest loss?
Biggest loss, I think everyone experienced this. I think it was the COVID times, like the lockdown. I think that was our biggest loss. We had to close for more than a year.
Right.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Like, I actually bought my first vape at your vape shop.
Really?
It was a Pico iLive.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That was my first
We're
vape.
not even selling that anymore.
Yeah, I think it's outdated in
Yeah.
But
But that was a long time ago.
Yeah, that was a very long time ago. Like, so I understand that was your first child and whatnot from our conversations in the past.
Mm-hmm.
So what made you like leave it?
No, I cannot say that we did not leave the vape shop or the Vapers hub, because we still have it until now, and I don't think we will leave it no matter what. Like, I think it's still gonna be there.
Right.
Yeah, but mostly also because we want a place where people can hang out and mingle and meet people. That's also, so that's why it's not just a vape shop alone, but also like a bar.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Good place to get wasted.
Yeah.
That's for sure. What made you decide to go from a chilled out vape shop to a full blown club? Like this place is literally a club right now.
We had the opportunity, I think. We had the opportunity. Our previous location, the unit beside our unit, they left, so we had the opportunity to extend, and And Tobias really, it's his dream to have a club. So yeah, we tried it and it clicked. So
Right. In your club,
Yes.
you play really good hip hop music. Sometimes.
yeah, we have good DJs. We have good DJs. Really. Shout out to our DJs.
So like we had this talk. We were both kind of tipsy. So I don't know if you remember
Oh
that
my
we
God.
talked, but you told me you love battle rap.
True. That's true. I love
So
battle rap.
what part of battle rap do you love?
I love the battle rap itself, like so what you call the word?
The activity itself. or
The
whatnot.
activity
The battle
itself.
itself.
Yeah, the battle itself. And I know it's a talent, but for me, it's more like an art. And I think the battle rappers are very creative. It's poetry.
Right.
I love creative people. I love, yeah.
Like Benzo,
So-
very creative.
Yeah, very creative. That's why I love battle rap. The minds is great.
Awesome. Basically now, what made you support the local rap battle scene?
I don't know. Me and Tobias have the same look on this. We love seeing people doing what they love doing, and battle rapping. That's a passion. So we will support in any way we can, because we love them doing what they love to.
Right. Props to you. Props to you too, Toby.
Yeah,
Yeah. By the way,
I always
Toby's
watch
here.
Flip Top.
He's just not in camera.
yeah.
Well, yeah. Who's your favorite battle rapper?
They have Tagalog and English.
Yeah.
In English, I love Protege. Tagalog, Looney, Badang. Those times. Oh my God,
Wow,
it was so
old
long
school.
time ago.
Right.
Mga Zaito times pa to.
Like,
Okay.
do you know any local battle rappers or something?
Not so many, but just, yeah, the people that I met in Roof Deck.
Where do you see the local rap battle scene in the next 5 years?
I think it will boom, I think, with the fact that it never died down for many years. Like, this is, I think, rap here started many years ago.
Yeah,
And it's still here until now, so I don't think it will, I think it will flourish, it will boom in the next 5 years.
Your friends are actually one of the originators, like his cousins.
Yeah.
Logo, we have
T-City,
DJ.
T-City Click.
T-City Click.
Yeah,
They're one of the
yeah,
originators.
yeah.
Shout out to them. Big Graham, I still owe you
Shout
that
out.
collab.
Go,
True,
go!
Yeah. We really appreciate that you're supporting the local rap battle scene.
Yes, we love to support.
I gotta ask Benzo though. He seems like a very tough guy. So like, have any problems with like troublemakers and whatnot?
Yes, sometimes.
So like, how do you deal with them?
By respectfully listening to their problems, and I have people also for that one, like
You
experience.
have people?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
gangsters?
Like no, not the experience. Like experience bouncers and securities.
Yeah.
I see your bouncers. They big as fuck.
Yeah.
Sorry
yeah.
for French. So, being the top guy and all, any hookups with some ladies?
No,
Why?
I'm more focusing on my work, and I'm still searching for the right one.
So to all the girls out there,
Shout out.
all the girls out there.
Alright, so this question is for both of you. Could you be the number one club or bar in Bohol?
Oh, no, honestly, no. I don't think, I cannot say we are the number one club here in Bohol. Maybe we are the most visited right now.
Playing it safe.
We are the most visited right now, but quality-wise, club quality-wise, we are definitely not the number one. We still have a lot, there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be improved, and we are trying to do that, to improve more our place. Yeah.
How about you, boss man? You think you could be the number one club?
Nah.
That's alright.
Not number 1, just on number 2.
Alright, so in every lure podcast, you already know what's gonna happen. Like, we have this segment called Rap Bottles. So basically, our guests, they're gonna have some choices, 2 options. If they can answer it, they need to give a little bit of an explanation on why they picked that answer. If not, they can take that shot. And why it's called Rap Bottles, because it's shots or shots, because if you get it wrong, you can take the sip. But if you get it right, you might get shot in the streets. So that's why it's called shot or shots. So, alright. Who wants to go first? Alright. So yeah, first choice. KOTD or flip top?
Flip top.
Alright. That was easy.
Easy.
Money or love?
Both.
No, you can take both.
Love wins all the time.
Why?
Mama drink?
Why?
Love?
Yeah, why love?
Explain it.
No, we just need love.
Alright, so this one is a little bit harder. So,
Oh my
your
God.
boyfriend or your kids?
What?
You gotta pick, your boyfriend or your kids? Toby or your kids?
Both. No?
No, you can pick both.
Both.
You can pick both.
Why? I love them both.
You can take the shots if you don't want to
Okay,
answer
okay,
it. Alright. You're gonna
my
finish
kids.
it. You're gonna finish it. Alright. So yeah. Teens or MILFs?
Teens.
Why?
I don't know why.
You just prefer teens.
They're special for me.
I thought you were saving yourself for someone.
Yeah, but what about choices?
Your security team or your service team?
Security team.
Why?
Safe. For safety.
Right? Next one. So, a building is on fire. Right? All 3 of you are there. You, Zoe, and Toby. Or are you saving between Toby or Zoe? Please save, guys! Please save, guys!
Don't do it.
Drink it.
Okay, man. I'm done now.
Alright. Going back to Zoe, so okay, let's imagine you can fly. You have superpowers.
Ay, may kamas na ganyan.
An airplane is crashing. Who are you leaving behind? Benzel or Gogo?
What? That's so...
Who are you saving? Who are you gonna leave in the plane to crash?
So,
Me.
lubang tarong.
Myself. Just my
You can fly.
I'll just fly alone.
Drink.
I think they want to be together when the plane crashes. Okay. That's fine.
Drink. Alright, moving to Benzel. Alright, since I think most of the people know Benzel used to be a Jeep. Red or blue?
Hello.
Right, so basically it's gonna be the same questions for both of you. I'll go with Benzel first. Atmo or Vapers?
Vapers.
Good choice. How about you?
Vapers.
Alright.
Vapers.
Alright, so that was it. They cleaned it easily. Alright, so we are about to end the segment, but before we do that, let me just call on Rapcon TV and Mr. President BMZ to tell us about the event that's gonna drop on December 23 here at Vapers Hub. Alright, Mr. President?
By the way, my name is BMZ. Invite mo na ko tanan this coming December 23. There is a Vapers Hub Club. Then, natay nindot nga mga rap battle MCs. So, 6 battles na. So, mag-open ang Vapers Hub pohon, alas 6. So, special yun na nila for us para kay nay murag duha ka event na nga gabi na no. So, kami ang moabrigana na kanang gabi na. So, we want to see you all kanang ganahan gyud mo support sa League of Underground Rap Enthusiasts, and salamat gyud kaayo sa owners sa Vapers Hub, Ma'am Zoila and management, and si Sir Top na dito mag busy. Yan camera shy sab siya no. So what else? Yeah. Normal ra nga na entrance fee ang Vapers Hub nga 100. So prepare lang mo og 100, and sayo lang gyud mo dong dire para nagin mo yung table kanang party goers bitaw para di na mo para dili mo mabiyaan sa kuan gyud sa event ana nga panahon na kay mag-ilog gyud ang tao dire.
Chester, I'll be editing this video. Peace.
Alright, so it's a wrap. Toot toot!
Yeah! Vapers Hub!